Hey everybody, it's Crypto Let's Go here, and I'm coming at you with another video with Crypto.com, this awesome app exchange that I like to use and earn interest on. As you can see, it says crypto earn is almost £5,000 and my crypto wallet has almost $2,000 in it. So let's go to wallet because I'm going to transfer or withdraw this small ZRX balance. So I'm going to click on transfer, withdraw to an external wallet, and an external wallet could be to Binance, or it could be to Ledger Nano X, or it could be to Bit7, it could be to Coin Payments, it could be to anywhere. I'm actually going to withdraw this to my MetaMask wallet because my MetaMask wallet is connected to the ZRX platform where I can stake it. So it's really straightforward. Click on wallet address. So I need the ZRX address. So if I shoot over to MetaMask, log in there. Again, it needs my thumbprint, so love MetaMask. And I want the QR code. Good. I could scan that, but I'm obviously using the same device. So all I do is I just click this public address here, and it pastes it to the clipboard. So then I go back to my Crypto.com app, and then I'll just paste that there. So the name for this is MetaMask wallet. Cool, there we go. See, so I've done all that, and I still need to verify it with my Google 2FA device. So let me go ahead and do that for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I've done that, and then I did that off cam, obviously, for security, and now you have to confirm it with your email address. So 2FA, then click this link in your email address, and then you're ready to go. So there we go. Once I click that link in my email, it then takes me to this Safari link, which I then click, which takes me back to the app. So it's super safe. It's very difficult to do anything to get hacked or scammed on this app exchange. There's just too much protection, which is great. So now that's confirmed. I've got this MetaMask ZRX address, so I can withdraw that. So I'm going to click that. So here we are. Let me type in how much I want to withdraw. There's a little blue number there above the digits, so I can just click that instead of typing it in. 463, you can see it above the number 3. So I'll click that. Thank you. And then withdraw. So now, good. Confirm. And there we go. Look, I need my Touch ID as well. So, and again, I need my 2FA. So I'll do this off cam. I'll be right back. There we go. It has been submitted. And then that usually takes anything from 5-10 minutes to maybe 20-25 to be fully confirmed at the other end. But the good thing is you will get an email right now to say that you've requested that withdrawal, and you'll also get an email to say that it's been confirmed, to let you know that it's also popped up at the destination wallet. So there we go, guys. That's a really easy tutorial on how to withdraw your tokens or coins from the Crypto.com app exchange, right from the very beginning to confirming the address, and then going through the security to actually do a withdrawal. So okay, I'll catch you again in another video. I hope you're having a great weekend. Take care, guys. Bye for now.